Well, what have we got here? Looks like Mr. Beaver's been back. And he's pulled out another tree, cut down another tree that he's not able to pull out. So I have to cut it loose for him. This one's pretty decent size, so I'm going to have to do some chopping for him. See? Down in there, he cut that one off and he couldn't pull it out of all the brush. So I'm going to do it for him again. And he graciously took the tree that I cut out for him the other day. So I think he appreciates my work. So here I go with my loppers, chopping away. Silly beaver makes more work for me. I'm supposed to be doing homework, but this is more fun. Come and get it. What's this thing hanging here? Silly beaver. Quite the big tree. Oh wow, it's not very stuck in there. Wonder why he couldn't get it. Pretty decent size, but it wasn't tangled up in the berries. We'll just take it over here for him. And this way he can come and get it tonight. Well, that was easy. I need my easy button. I'm going to cut this down while I'm out here. Nothing to it, Beav. What was the problem? Maybe somebody scared him. But it wasn't really stuck, obviously. Well, I guess that didn't postpone homework for very long, did it? I guess I better get to it. Fun, fun.